Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Thomas the Steam Engine in a Christmas hat. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to draw the little snow plow in the front, and you're just going to draw a skew vertical line down. We'll draw a little bucket like this, and then on this side bring it down also a little bit. And there we go. And there we have a snow plow. Then on this side, I'm going to draw some texture. And I'm going to copy it on the other side as well. And then we're going to draw a few lines going down. That's going to give a nice texture to our little snow plow in front. And then let's do it on this side as well. Next, I'm going to draw Thomas's face. I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a little nose. And then just above the nose, we're going to draw the eyes. Pupils, light reflection. Let's color the pupils in. Right below the nose, you're going to draw a little smile and some cheeks. You're going to draw an open mouth, a little tongue. Now right on top, I'm going to draw a hat. Before you draw the face, just draw a little hat. A Santa hat. Take it all the way around. And now we can draw the face. Nice and round on both sides. And then right above the eyes, I'm going to draw the eyebrows and I'm going to color it in black. And we can do this with this one as well. And now we can draw the hat. So I'm going to start here at the top and I'm going to draw a nice Christmassy hat to the side. Little ball on the end. And now we're going to go back and we're going to draw the back of Thomas's head. Now a little bit off to the side, you're going to draw a straight line down and you're going to take it to Thomas's head. And you're going to do the same thing on this side as well, a nice block. And now from the block, you're going to draw the side of the train. You can just follow me. I'm going to take it all the way down. Now I'm just going to draw a straight line back, and I'm going to stop roughly about here, and I'm going to make a nice little line. I'm going to make a nice little line on the inside, bring it back, and then I'm going to draw a smaller one on the inside as well. There we go. And let's do the top of this and make it round on the top. Now inside this block, we're going to draw a little window, a side window for Thomas. Here we go. And then right here below, you're just going to draw a nice rectangular shape. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to draw a little line straight, because this is going to be a red color stripe. It's actually a stripe on the side of Thomas. I'm going to do the same thing here. Here we go. And then I'm just going to continue with the stripe back here. And right inside, I'm going to draw number 1. I'm going to draw 1. Here we go. Now what I want to do is just draw the little chimney behind Thomas's hat, and then I'm going to make a series of lines to make the top of the engine. So I'm going to just draw a little curve down and another curve down. So there's the top of the engine, and then there's two little whistles sticking out on top. two little golden whistles next to each other. And then right here off to the side, there's a small little window. And I'm going to do the same thing here as well. A nice small little window, and then on top there's a roof. I'm going to draw a straight line there, make it nice and curvy on top. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Give it a nice curve on top. And there we have a roof as well. And now we can draw the wheels. But first I'm going to draw the side of the snow plow. And I'm just going to give it a little shape like this and make a few stripes here for texture. And now we're going to start off and we're going to draw a straight line. I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to draw a straight line to the plow, connect it. I'm going to bring a line down. And then underneath, we're going to start drawing the wheels. First of all, I'm going to draw a little mechanical arm. And then I'm going to make it nice and round. And you can make a little round there as well. And then you're going to continue with this mechanical arm. Make it round again. With a little circle inside. And this is going to be the indication for our wheels. So first up, I'm going to draw the middle wheel. Then I'm going to draw the front wheel, and then we can draw the back wheel. And remember, this is in the middle of the wheel, this mechanical arms, and I'll just draw the spokes. And then the inside of the wheel. Make it black here, and then again inside to make it black again. And then here lastly we have steps. So I'm just going to draw a straight line like an L, like an upside down F. And then we're just going to connect this line as well. Good, and there's Thomas. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors. And I'm sure Thomas will turn out absolutely perfect. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.